Hello mga Tha Nge Chin, welcome back to another YouTube video. So Tha Nge Chins, today I'll be sharing to you a cooking vlog. So besides from missing Dennis, I also miss Myanmar. Super miss Myanmar. So I miss the people there, my friends, I miss the scene, I miss everything in Myanmar, and most especially, I also miss the food in Myanmar. But yeah, since I miss the food in Myanmar, today I'll be cooking Shan Noodles. So yeah, I already went to the market kanina, to the supermarket to buy the stuff that I'll be needing. So how do I say, disclaimer, most of the things that I can buy in Myanmar is totally different here in the Philippines. So I tried somehow to look for the similar products na nakikita namin sa Myanmar. So I tried my best. So please understand. And yeah, eventually if I'll just want to start and do this vlog. But if Dennis was here, he will be scolding if I will not be telling about Shan Noodles. So Shan Noodles is a popular dish in Myanmar. So they also call it Shan Khao Sue. So it originated from Shan State. So Shan State is located in the eastern part of Myanmar. It borders China, Laos, and Thailand. So Shan Noodles as well can be cooked in different ways. So it can be cooked with chicken balls, with beef, with chicken, with soup, or it can be cooked dry. It can be cooked like with thin or thick noodles, I think. But yeah, it has a lot of different ways of cooking, but I'm trying to do the simple way and how I love the Shan Noodles in Myanmar. So yeah, let's go Tha Nge Chin and let's cook Shan Khao Sue. Let's go, because I'm hungry na rin. Let's go. Let's wear my I love you, Mahal. I miss you.
explain, but it doesn't feel right. Liquid courage, please, I need the confidence tonight. But no drink is enough for me to have the nerve this time. I feel scared, unprepared, lacking passion, lacking flair. I feel shy, don't know why everyone else does it right. But I'm fine in my mind, you've got your way, I've got mine. It's clear to me the stranger signs. Anyone can see the lights around us, and anyone can see I've got no rhythm, got no moves, I've got nothing left to lose. Here tonight, as the night moves on, constant play on my mind. This pressure won't work, and that's what I say every time. I guess there's no escape, it only gets worse over time. Over time, I can't deny that I feel scared.
Hi Tha Nge Chin, so I'm finally done cooking. So I know it's not the perfect Shan noodles, but I've tried my best. But let's try it if it's bearable.
Signs, anyone can see them.
Look at that! It's tasty. I think it tastes like Shan noodles, except that the noodles are different. But yeah, it's so nice. I'm gonna enjoy it now. I'm also drinking my BURMESE tea. So yeah, with my Shan noodles. Ah, feels like home in Myanmar. I miss you, my Tha Nge Chin. So Tha Nge Chins, now I have to say goodbye, and goodbye Tha Nge Chins. Till next time, ngayon sa iba, Ayan Chit Tael. Ta-da! I'm gonna enjoy my Shan noodles.